Hello everyone! Welcome to my video. So actually, dugay na ako mag-imo reaction. Actually, I'm late, but I'm updated sa mga issues nga naakaron social media. So it's a labanan for a famous blogger over famous blogger because sa piste nga nagpapiling blogger karon. So actually, siya ang mga main cause or main reason why na guba na nga issue. So, in my point of view, I'm not against both. Actually, in the first place, we're just human being, So we get mistake. We commit mistake. So we're not perfect at all. So as long as we know how to accept the mistake, what we've done, Because anak na doon ang life, guys. So makamahimo yung tag mistake. So gisingot ko, guys. Actually, gusto lang doon ko maghimo og reaction video about ani kay grabe na magod kayo ang issue ko. It's already rampant and everyone is being affected also. Di mga uban magod nga mo join force, mo intervene sa issue, mo sabay sa issue even though wala tay mga exact mga ideas or mga unsa jud na ang tinuod nga nahitabo. We never know what will be the one behind on this camera. It's camera dito nakita, not all aspect. Ang uban na is uban pod kay nakisabay. Okay, actually we are sa tong self to join with them because we are followers of them. But to bash or to judge someone without knowing the exact reason, and I think that's a mistake, because if everyone can can show forgiveness or can magpapatawad din gipasaylo pa siya, how come us nga dili nga we're just followers, diba? So we don't need to judge someone kanang iyang pagkatao just because of one thing na nabuhat sa isa ka tao. Because even you, even me, even everyone, we have that kind of attitude. And what matter is kabalo ka mo ngayong pasaylo, and you will learn from that, as what Cindy Cinco stated in this recent video na karma siya. Meaning to say, he accept the mistake what she's done, di ba? So late lang siya nag-react because di siya gusto siguro mo sabay sa burning sa fire sa tao karon, because both sides has a big followers na. So they are already a famous vlogger, let's say. So na yung mga conflict of both sides. So ang uban po yung supporter ni Cindy Cinco just because of one mistake, or let's say 10 mistakes nga nahitabo niya. So grabe na kayo ang iyang kuan kay Cindy Cinco without knowing naman sa iyang good sides, di ba? Mo ginagi ko nung no matter how good you are, no matter sa imong gipakita sa tao sa good side, once makakommit kag one mistake, all of those walang baling yun, walang maling na wala na consideration, di ba? Because of one thing that iyang nabuhat nga mali. So hoy everyone, dako na kayo ta, guys. So it doesn't mean ang tao makasala ato na siyang i-judge not dili lang sa nang abutang, but holistic sa iyang life, murag sa iyang whole life na baka na murag yung personal life na uban nga madamay na tong mga di dapat madamay just because of that. So dili ta magpaka-hipokrito nga we're perfect as a human, because we're not perfect at all. Yun lang ang masabi ko. Kaya I'm not supported to Cindy Cinco, because I also support Ma'am Lo, because I know how generous they are both, di ba? They are both. So kung nahilom nila ang issue sa ilang side because Ma'am Lo is affected because of that thing, and Cindy Cinco accept the mistake what she's done, how kinsa ta para mas trigger pa nga to ang emotion, guys. Social media, everything there is clear. Ang importante lang, at least nabala na to ang mga sides, di ba? So it depends on you if you will follow him, if you follow her, whatsoever, sinaway mo sila, ha. That's your decision. But to judge someone without knowing the exact reason, you don't have the right. Yes, we have point of view. We have natay mga personal opinion, but it's our opinion. But don't mention someone because you are judging people. You are judging person. And that's one thing na dili jud acceptable in the society. Because if we show kindness, if we show support and genuine support, we support. I'm not mean we are tolerating them. No, what I mean is we don't need to judge someone based on one thing and na commit a mistake. Because we're not humans, what I said. We're not perfect at all. So yun lang guys, spread love. Let's continue supporting them. As long as natin mga learning about them, learning about that certain thing, I think we are blessed. For me, we are blessed. Why? Because we realize that at the end of the day, not today friendship na someone will backstab us, will drag us down. And this is a big learning for everyone. Especially natin mga secrets in life. Natin someone na ginatrust na to, personally. Anang sa atong mga karadyo mga kuan jud nga mga kuan like mga secret, mga hidden part. Nadyo tay someone nga ginatrust na to. And because of this issue, everyone can learn. And hope everyone should learn and must learn for this experience. We need to be thankful by them because of that everyone has the insight and natay mga ano ba mo acknowledge that we need to be conscious, we need to be careful, and we need to be kanagong vigilance on those things nga dili pwede nga makasakit sa uban, because as what Thailand girl said, mas worse pa daw siya over Silid 5 in terms of doing that things ang nahitabo ni Silid 5. Ang nakapait lang is mali lang dito si Cindy ang ilang gitras na tao, because look at now, guba ang tanan. But what Thailand girl said, sa mama lang siya nag-share. And no matter what happened, dili dito tayo daw sa mama, because that's our mama. And that's the thing that we need to be thankful. Because of that, we learn from that. And we don't need to judge anyone else because we're not perfect by our own self. Who I am, who you are to judge that person. Ikaw, si Cindy 5, gabi kayo natabang. Kabalo man siguro mo, patuwala nyo to sa gimayan because of the things nga she committed mistake. Because you are focusing on one thing nga nakadoubt not because of you, but because of people you admire the most. Imagine, in one thing she committed mistake, all those good things nga iyang gibuhat, nawala. And mo na ipait sa to. That's part of tao. Spread love lang guys. No more hate. Love, love, love. Love you all.